recording, you can start recording. Yeah. Able to see my screen, right?
Yeah, Akshay.
Yeah, Akshay.
Okay. So in our first project class, what we have discussed, I will revise. So I told we have 4 projects, right? So we become consultant, we have 4 projects. One is your implementation project. One second. One is your implementation project. Second one is your support project. Okay, your third one is rollout project. Fourth one, upgradation project. Upgradation project. Yeah, these 4 projects we have to become now consultant. So we are discussing about this first project, right? Implementation project. This one. Okay, implementation project. So how we will do? So using SAP methodology, we will do the implementation. SAP methodology, right? SAP means what? Accelerated SAP methodology, right? So it has 5 phases. It has 5 phases. First one is the project preparation. Last class we have discussed about the same. Project preparation. Second one is business blueprint. Yes, business blueprint. Your third one is realization phase. Fourth one, final preparation. Fifth one, go live and hypercare support. Okay, this first one we have discussed last class, right? So in this one, what we have prepared, first one, project preparation, we have prepared a project charter. Okay, what and all things contains in project charter, we have discussed what we need to do, project logo, project deliverables, right? So allocation, team allocation, right? High level activity, right? Project manager is involved, right? So we'll prepare on book, right? So in that, so everything we will mention, we will take the sign off for both the side, for business side and project side. Okay. So now our second phase is business blueprint. Business blueprint phase. Here what will happen, we will see, and I will show what and all documents we need to prepare in this phase. Okay. So again, quickly remind you, so we have 2 teams, right? One is our business team, one is the project team. Project team here is, we have consultant, right? This is our business team. We have taken example of Nandini milk industry. Okay, this one we have taken, right? So we went to this business place, okay, on site we are doing, right? So once we went there, initially what will happen here in business blueprint type, again we'll have a kickoff meeting. kickoff meeting will have, it will take place. So what we'll do in kickoff meeting? So usually all consultants will come right here, and formal introduction will happen here in this phase. Okay, these people also will be there. They will explain their process, formal presentation they will give, right? So what and all already the end users are there right here in Nandini Milk, core users, core team members. Right. So MM people will MM, FI, right? All SD, production planning. So all people will be there, core team members, right? Already end users, right? So these people will give presentation. So how our business is working. So for example, so MM people can give, or else their project manager also they can give. So as a MM consultant, what we need to note down. So okay, how many plants are there, right? How many materials they are using, where vendors are there. For Nandini milk, so they will vendors is farmers, right? How they are getting milk from vendors where they will store, right? That cooling plants where they are located, how many plants are there, right? These all we need to make a note, so that we need to in future need to map it to SAP, right? So in formal kickoff meeting, all these things will be discussed initially. Okay, so what they will present, they will present reports. So what all documents we will collect, present reports, right? These Nandin Mill people, they are generating project reports, right? So what and all reports they are generating, we will take all these reports, right? Any pain points in their business, if they are facing any pain points, so that we will note it down, right? So accordingly, we will prepare future reports, future solution for these pain points we will do. Exactly what we will do, this is called as is to be process we prepare. As is to be. Okay, as is to be. As is means, for example, Nandini Milk, right? Nandini Milk has 3 businesses. Nandini has 3 businesses, right? One is Nandini Milk. Second one is Nandini Bakery. Nandini Agri. Right, 3 businesses. How we will map it to SAP? This is to be process. Right? How we will map? We will create a 3 company codes, right? 3 company codes will create. So naming will be NA01, right? Like that NA02, NA03. Like that 3 different company codes will create. Right? If these people have any plants, we will create separate plants will create, right? How many plants these people are having, if they are telling, so accordingly we will name the plants. So like this, we'll prepare as is to be document for each and everything. Okay. I'll take one more slide. As is to be. Right. Here, if they are telling how many, is there any material type these people are using, right? How will map it to SAP? Material type, what they are using, that we will collect and we'll map it to SAP here. So what and all we need to create it as a material type, what number range we are giving, right? Number range. This and all we will write and we will take a sign from our end users. Any document types, what and all document types these people are using, and we need to map it them. Right? Not necessarily these people are using document type, right? If these people are already using some Oracle or some Tally, so others, or else some business will maintain everything in Excel. So how they are maintaining the purchase order, we need to take that and we will map it to SAP. Okay, you have service PO, right? Standard PO, subcontract PO, right? And your consignment PO. And these many types of POs these people are already generating. So accordingly, I will create a separate document type in my SAP to be processed. But I will not create directly, but I will note it down. This is a documentation period, business blueprint. So for service purchase order, I will give Z. Yes, B I will give. So standard is ZB, right? So accordingly, customization we can give, right? So service for standard PO Z NB I will give, right? So subcontract PO ZSB I will give. Like that, different document types I will create. So means I will note it on like this. I will create for this one. I will keep number ranges, whatever I want. Once PO is generated, this number range should come, right? This 4 series number should come. For standard purchase order, 5 series number range should come, right? For concerned PO, 6 series number should come. Like that, I will note it down. So this I will show it to our end users. So I will take a sign off. Like that, we will prepare as these 2B documents. Okay. Next. So now here in business blueprint phase, what we need to prepare? Okay, 2 documents we need to prepare here. Okay, 2 documents. Okay, in this phase, first one is your business process document. Okay, business process document. Your second one is KDS document. Okay, these 2 documents, BPD document, everything I will show you. So theory I'm explaining now. Okay, KDS document. KDS means key document structure. Okay, this is KDS document. So BPD means what? It's a reference for process. KDS documents means what? It's a reference for what and all configurations what we are going to do. Okay, so BPD means process means what? For example, see Nandini Milk is using, right? So if these people are using release procedure, right? And if they are using any subcontracting process, right? A material type, how these people are using, right? This P2P process, how these people's P2P process will work, where they will take the material, where they will store it, right? Who are their vendors? This entire P2P structure will have flow chart will maintain how this process will be. Entire flow chart will maintain here, PPD flow chart for each process. For example, P2P, how it will work. Is there these people are using release procedure or not? Right? How is this inventory management will work? Right? How this your pricing procedure will work? These people are maintaining any pricing recording or not? PIR, how these people are maintaining? How this vendor master is work? Right? That flow chart will maintain. In BPD, this document we will create everything. KDS documents mean it's a reference for configuration what we are going to do. For example, we have decided everything in BPD, right? So for example, material type. So material type, what and all material type we have? Raw material, ROH, semi-finished material. Now your finished material, FERT, right? Semi-finished HALB. Right? 3 material types we are going to use, right? So for this raw material, what number range I need to give? Number range for FERT, what number range I need to do? Everything we will note it down in KDS. Okay, this is related to material type. And then if you prepare for for purchase order, what and all your number ranges you need to give. What and all document types you need to create, right? That NB, right? Different document types for different purchase order I told, right? Like that. For PIR, how your process will be, what and number ranges you are going to do. Release procedure, how you are going to write your release procedure, how your approvals will be. Everything, what and all configuration you are going to do, be it your partner functions, your material type, right? Your enterprise structure, client, how many you are creating, what number range you are giving, everything we will note it down in KDS document, because it's a reference for what and all configurations we are going to do in future, right? Everything we'll write it down and we'll take approval. Like this, we want to do it in SAP, approve it. Like that, we will take each approval from end user. Right? Any doubts so far?
Akshay.
Okay, I will show you all these things. Okay, so I will talk with our end user, right? So they will explain their business process, everything will map it in BPD and KDS will prepare, right? But if it is not possible in SAP, whatever these people are telling, we cannot do everything in SAP, right? So if these people are telling, so material length should be more than 18. Material length So in SAP we have 18, right? Length, maximum length. If they sold in 20, this is not possible by SAP, right? So this we'll put it in gap document. We'll prepare one more document called that gap document. Gap document means here whatever is not possible by SAP, na, if these are all doing any developments, any customization these people are doing, right? Any development, any customization, reports, right, which is not possible by SAP. These people are telling I want report like this. So we'll check it in SAP. We have any standard reports are there or not for that particular report. If not, we'll put it in this gap document. Right? This is gap analysis we'll call it. So this gap document also I will show you how we'll prepare the gap document. Again, this gap is fulfilled by developments, right? Gap, what and all, this gap we have identified, we need to fulfill it by doing developments. Right? One second. Yeah. Right, how we'll do the developments, this is an entirely separate topic. For example, many things will be there, right? How to do customize the reports, how to do, right, your any new things they are adding, means how will thing, new fields we need to add. Material master standard, basic data 1 2 everything will be there, right? In that, if they want to add any new fields in purchase order, if they want to add any new fields, right, in GR they want to add in any new fields, right? They want to capture all driver details they want to capture, right? What gate entry, right? How much they have paid, old purchase order details they want, everything we can capture, right? So how we can add the new fields, what and all logic we need to write for that, everything we'll do it in developments. But before that we'll put everything in gap document. That is gap analysis. What and all gap you have identified, if they ask, you can tell different gaps. According to business, many gaps will be there, right? So everything is not possible by SAP. Almost all we can do it in SAP. So what we can suggest, we'll give turnaround solution to our end user. So in SAP, this is also possible. You can use this one, or else we'll put it in gap document. So again, gap will be fulfilled by developments. Cost is involved again. If they are telling anything, it is not there in SAP, right? Next. So now I will open my notes. I will show you, catch everything. One second. Yeah. So what is our role in business blueprint phase? So as I told, participating in the kickoff meeting. This one, participating in kickoff meeting. This I have discussed it already, right? So here what we'll discuss initially. Okay, so a high level activity means all project manager will be there. So we all consultants will be there. Their core team members will be there, right? So they will give presentation and all, right? We will note down everything. Understand the as is process here. Understand the as is process. Prepare the to be documents, right? So again, prepare the PPD or through presentation. So business blueprint document will prepare, and KDS document will prepare, right? So in this one, we will give demo to our end user. Okay, like this we have prepared. So give your approval, right? One second. See, KDS means what? KDS means what? Key document structure. So what we are preparing here, number ranges, what kind of codes we are using, how many plants we have, how many material type we need to create. With number range, everything we will maintain in our KDS document. Right? BPD means what? It's a reference for all the process we are going to do. KDS means it's a reference for what and all configuration we are going to do. Right? So this all you understood. So what I will do, I will show you how your business blueprint document will look, your KDS document will look. I think I'll show you. Three different business blueprint document I will show you. Okay, so I will send you the same so they can look this. So business blueprint. here. So it is combined both KDS and BPD, right? So how we are mapping. So okay, here we have taken example for some ABC company. So is this company client we have like this purchasing group, how we can create future purchasing groups, right? So in this one, centralized, how many departments we have, right? How company code, plant will work, storage location. So everything will note it down. See purchase organization, purchase group, master data. See as is how these people are using, how we need to do it in SAP to be processed. General data, many views will be there, right? Each view how we are maintaining. Vendor master as is how these people are already using, right? How we need to map it in SAP best practice. This all as is to be process will be there for all the processes, source list, right? Your pricing procedure, right? So this is one document, so you can go through it. And one more document I will show. Right? One more document. Here all modules will be there, right? So we need to check ours. Right? Material master. See, yeah, material description, material group. So depending on materials in different material groups, we need to create and we need to add, right here. So for the adding. Yeah, account group, account is these are like FI people will do. So yeah, these many they have different document type. Emergency PO, third party PO, subcontracting, service, standard PO, right? What and all number ranges they want to give, right? And document type what they need to create. Standard is NB, right? So we can create our own document type, I told, right? So we can create like this and we can give our own number range, right? So like this they want to create. Okay, so this is one more document I will show you. Just open third document. See here you can go to directly chapter 2. See how they have pricing procedure and all they have configured. Pricing procedure is not yet over for you guys. So once it's done, so you can check. So in short, what and all configuration you're doing, everything we need to do it like this. We need to prepare document. Stock transfer order. Directly go chapter 2. This you can check. KDS document I will show you. Key document structure. The reference for what and all configuration we are going to do. This is my present. It's for HANA project. Here you can see these two plants we have. So this is a company code, two plants we have, right? In this one, what language we are using, industry sector, address, everything we need to do. Like this, we want to create it in SAP, right? So we need to know noting everything in here KDS document. What and all storage locations we have, or these many, receiving data maintenance, like that we can create storage locations. So plant and description, plant not respect to storage locations, purchase group. See these many purchase group we have in our. See, we have divided department wise, as I told, right? Purchase group is a person or a department, right? So here we have divided it, department wise. We have created different purchase group. Any configuration should start with Y or Z, I told, right? So Y01, Y02 I have updated, right? So material type, see these many material types we have: raw material, spare, FG material, same finished, indirect material, scrap material, quantity update, value update is there or not. Right? For scrap, we don't have this one number range. We use external or internal. What at all account category reference we are going to use. See here, account category reference. This is already covered, right? See this in turn, linked with valuation class and GL account, right? So that what we need to create. Everything we will write it on here. Material groups we need to these many material groups we have. The purchase equation for PR. So these three types of PR I have divided. So in my company, like this material PR, service PR, asset PR. So accordingly, I will give different document type: Y01, Y02, Y03. The standard is MB, but we can create our own document type, right? So according to my document type, I will give number range also, the same number range. Same for PR and same for your purchase orders. These many purchase orders we have, we will use only few. Okay, so like this, according to your business, you can divide number range and give the divide your document type and give the your own number range. Okay, according to different types of document. Scheduling agreement, same. This is covered. So this is pricing procedure. Domestic, how it will work, and your import, how it will work. So this is separate topic. We'll get to know that. Let's see here, valuation class. I told, right? See raw material, spare material type wise, I have created valuation class. Different account category I have created. See here, I have told in last class, right? So this valuation, this account category reference, I will have to assign this one. Whenever I am creating material, only this will come. This valuation class will come. Okay. For these all valuation class, I can use same account category reference also. So that whenever I am creating using this one, right, this raw material type I'm using, means all four will appear. Why? Because I have given same for our. So here in this case we have divided. Well, account category reference I have given based on my material type, different material types. Accordingly, different valuation class I have created. Okay, got it? This one last class I have explained. This is your KDS document. Any doubts so far? Any doubts, guys?
No, Akshay.
No.
No, Akshay.
Yeah, this is your business blueprint phase. Okay, in next class we will see the developments. So we have identified the gaps. Okay, I need to show gaps also, right? I will show you how gap document will look. One second. Gap analysis. We will do the gap analysis. Like this, we'll put it in an Excel document. We'll prepare. This is gap document. See here many models will be there, right? So what is the requirement? So remark and few data should be captured in MIGO, right? So if they want, whenever they are going to do the GR, right? Once we GR process, they want to capture few more data. For example, in GR in header level, they want one more tab, right? Some your one more they want to capture some data like gate entry. SAP has not provided those field which is length. So need to create a new tab. So this is gap, right? They need to create new tab enhancement. Solution is tab enhancement. So BPD number as is not possible. So we'll do the tab enhancement. This will be fulfilled by developments. How we will do this development? We'll see it in next class. Like this, we have given different example. In PO business, want to see the last PO price and few other details. For example, so if any new PO you want to create, for this same material and vendor, what is the last price they want to see? So how this will achieve? Again, tab enhancement. Business needs to report with details of plant, vendor, tax, right? PR header they want to do. Once we take the printout of PO, they want something new in that PO. Right? GR printout whenever we are taking, so if they want their own customization field. So these all things we will work on different tab enhancements, some customized reports we want to do. Right? These all things we will discuss in our next class. Okay, how we will do the developments for our business problems, gaps. Right? This is your gap document. Okay, this completes your business blueprint. So in this business blueprint only we will have one development sessions will be there. How we will do the how we'll run the tables, how we'll fetch the data from tables. I will show you, and different customizations I will explain, and how to do the customizations I will see, and how to write an FS document, how to write your own customized reports, that we will see. And the 2 class will be there, right, for your development. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So in tomorrow's class topic, I will update tomorrow only. Yeah, if I am taking your project class, I will continue, or else different topics I will take. So I will update tomorrow. Okay. Any other doubts?
No, Akshay.
Yeah, thank you all. So we'll see you next time.
Thank you, Akshay.
Thank you, Akshay.